Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we are still holding above our ascending trend line that we had here on the charts. We have also managed to break through our key area of resistance at around the $0.309075 mark. We even got a successful retest, and you can see that we have continued gearing up. This movement to the upper side has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.2138 mark, we started this recovery to the upside obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in yellow as the higher Elliot wave degree on the count, where I'm terming this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618. And you can see that we saw a reaction of the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5. And after seeing a reaction of that target area, we started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, which is the move that I believe is what is playing out, and giving you minimum target areas for this third wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area for that wave to the upper side at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.34 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting this third wave to the upper side to do. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we are yet to fully maximize that target area, since we have a high at around the $0.323 mark. So soon I'm expecting that Fantom is going to continue gearing up until we can fully maximize that target area at around the $0.34 mark. And since we are in the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, we also expect to see a 5 wave structure also play out within the formation of that wave 5, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. I believe we are also seeing such a scenario on the charts, where you can see that I have this Elliott wave structure in red, which is a micro Elliott wave count within the formation of this wave 3, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2. We have also peaked in the formation of this wave 3 in a move that has also fully maximized at our target area for that third wave, where I gave you the target area by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which is an area that we almost fully maximized, giving us a high at around the $0.3 mark. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown in that fourth wave, and I now believe that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 5 in a move that should help us fully maximize the area at the fib level 1.618 at around the $0.34 mark. So here on the Fantom chart, I'm expecting one more leg up in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And once Fantom is able to complete a 5 wave structure to the upside, then we can name that as a higher Elliott wave count 1. Then afterwards, we can expect a bit of an ABC corrective structure on the charts before we can continue gearing up. And once you see that complete 5 wave move to the upside followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be confirming to us that we have started a very impulsive move to the upside, and that we have a low in place that we made at around, that is on the 10th of June, at around the $0.2123 mark. And this move on the lower time frame has also continued to align with what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view. And if I zoom out here on the Fantom chart, you can see that after seeing our November lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.65 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that fully maximized minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And on the 10th of June, when we saw that massive crash, at some point we had lost the fib level 0.78, though the fib level 0.88 continued to act as support. And there are high chances that this is still a second wave, and Fantom soon is going to give us that massive pump that we have been expecting on the long-term point of view in the formation of that wave 3. And to confirm to us that the low for the second wave is in, all we need to see on the charts is a complete 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure, and also a break above significant highs here on the charts. Once you see such a movement on the charts, then that will be enough confirmation, and from that point I'll be able to give you my minimum target areas for that third wave to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 71 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.